Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this lesson we are going to look at how to integrate Bootstrap into our Ionic project. So first of all, you need to have an Ionic project created and open in your code editor. Next, we will install Bootstrap using npm. So npm install Bootstrap at 4.0.0-beta.2. That's the current Ionic Bootstrap version. So let's first install it. Next, we will do some configurations. So let's create a new file in our project root called sas.config.js. And the next thing is inside our package.json, we want to include this configuration file. So we're going to pass another option called config, and in this config we are going to provide Ionic SAS, and then as the value to it, we provide the path to the configuration that will be used. So sas.config.js, which is a file we created here. Now we're going to put something in here. What we're going to put here will do some magic trick for us that will enable us to use Bootstrap. Okay, so in the SAS configuration file, we've added some module which include an array of paths. Now the first one is the path to the Ionic Angular themes SAS file. The second one is Ionic icons, that's the icons that come with Ionic. The next one is the font styles SAS. The last one is our Bootstrap SAS files. So when you look into the node modules and you look at Bootstrap here, okay, you'll find that there is a SCSS directory in here, so we are including that one as well. Next thing to do is to go into our theme directory inside the source folder, and in it we have our variables, and in the variables SAS file we are going to import our Bootstrap here. So import Bootstrap, yeah, that's it. So I think that is it. So we created the SAS config file, which includes all the SAS files we want to include in our Ionic build, and we gave it to the package.json configuration, told it that the Ionic SAS path should be from the sas.config.js, and we included the Bootstrap we imported it in our variables file. The next thing to do is to add some Bootstrap component to see whether it works. So let's include a button in our home page. Okay, and then let's include something else. Let's include a card too. So let's copy this and paste it below. All right, now let's save it in our browser to see the result. So as you saw, it's very easy to include Bootstrap in your Ionic project, so that if you have a web site, mobile website that uses Bootstrap, and you want your mobile app to look the same, you can do this to make it work. So yes, we got it working. So we see we have our button correctly here, nicely as it is in the documentation. This one too the same, but the problem here is we don't have the correct path to the image. So let's copy the image address from the Bootstrap documentation and paste that here instead. Alright, now let's check it out to see the results. Yep, we got it. So that is it. That is how to include Bootstrap in your Ionic